Introducing Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent, affordable, indoor security camera. All controlled by a single app, so you can keep an eye on things at home, even when you're far away.
I wonder how the girls are doing.
And have peace of mind, knowing everything is okay. Put Cloud Cam on a shelf or mount it on the wall. With 1080p Full HD, advanced motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and more, Cloud Cam has everything you need to monitor your home day or night. Cloud Cam will alert you when it sees activity, and two-way audio lets you hear and be heard.
Henry, get down from there.
You can access Cloud Cam using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. So if you hear something go bump in the night, you can use your voice to check it out and feel safer immediately.
Alexa, show me the back door.
And Echo Show's hands-free voice control makes it super easy to see live feeds from any room of your home without putting down what you're doing. So when your favorite dining companions are late for dinner, just ask, and Alexa can show you why.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
Free access to the last 24 hours of motion detection clips stored in the secure Amazon cloud means you'll never be left wondering how your daughter's toy got into your lunch. And when you upgrade to a subscription plan, Cloud Cam can even distinguish between actual people and general motion, so you'll only get the alerts that matter most.
Hey, buddy. Do you want to go for a walk?
Cloud Cam also powers the newest feature for Prime members. With Amazon Key, get free delivery of Amazon packages inside your front door. Plus, grant the people you trust access to your home, and use Cloud Cam to watch it all happen in real time. Get peace of mind in every room of your home with Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent indoor security camera.
Alexa, play my Master Chef playlist.
Sonos One has Amazon Alexa, the easy-to-use voice service built right in, so you can use your voice to play and control your favorite music and more. Just connect your Sonos One to Alexa, then anyone in your home can ask out loud for songs, playlists, radio stations from all their favorite streaming services.
Alexa, play Chill Tracks.
Playing Chill Tracks from TuneIn.
You can also get up-to-date news, turn on lights, and enjoy all those other helpful things Amazon Alexa does.
Alexa, what's the recipe for kale Caesar salad?
You can even use your Sonos One to play and manage music on any Sonos speaker in your home. And since Sonos and Amazon Alexa are both constantly updating with new skills and services, your listening will keep getting better.
Alexa, play Whitney.
Easy voice control. Room-filling sound. It's as easy as asking out loud.
Alexa, turn it up.
I can see the stars all shining.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Say hello to Wemo Mini, the smart plug that makes your life truly comfortable. Mini can help you get your day started, or give power to your voice.
Turn off the kitchen.
Wemo Mini can also give you peace of mind. You can also schedule Mini to make your life easier and welcome you home.
Turn on the home. Turn off the bedroom.
Keys. For thousands of years, they've been a part of our world. But the universe is changing. And today, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era. The keyless era. With electronic locks from Schlage. Observe. Schlage electronic locks get rid of all the hassle of carrying around a key. Just enter your 4-digit code, and you're in. Ready to join the keyless era? Time to go shopping. Schlage Connect is, well, connected. That means you can use a computer, tablet, or smartphone to monitor your home from anywhere. Want to unlock your front door from the beach? No problem. You can even get alerts when people enter your home. It's my mom. Didn't know she was coming over today. There's also a built-in alarm to let you know when someone's coming or going, for even more peace of mind. And one more thing. To install a Schlage electronic lock, all you'll need is a screwdriver. It is so easy, even an unpaid intern could do it. Thank you. So, there you have it. With electronic locks from Schlage, keyless means simple, convenient, and, well, pretty darn cool. Sorry, keys. The keyless era starts now.
Introducing Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa now in your vehicle. Just say, Alexa, to make things happen. Stream audio through your car stereo. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. There's also a built-in dash cam that records your drive. Remotely managed smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa app. You'll be amazed at what you can see, hear, and do with Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa.
You've lived with compromise for way too long. The lack of control. Energy bills that keep rising. That's why you need to experience life with ecobee 3 Lite. It lights up as you approach. Kinda like he does. It delivers comfort, so you can just be. It supports room sensors that deliver the right temperature to the rooms that matter most. The room sensors also know if your home is occupied, to save you even more when you're away. ecobee 3 Lite uses the outside temperature to always keep you comfortable at home.
Smart, isn't it?
And it can be controlled from virtually anywhere. It even adjusts to your away setting when you're not home. And you're gonna love falling asleep and waking up in perfect comfort. It works with your day-to-day routines to deliver comfort when you're home and savings when you're away. Saving you an average of 23% annually on your heating and cooling costs, which means at just $169, it pays for itself in no time. ecobee 3 Lite. the smarter Wi-Fi thermostat that helps you live better and save more.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.